Before humans ever left Earth, scientists asked themselves a question. Could a living mind survive the outer space? To find the answer, they chose a chimpanzee. His name was Ham. Ham was trained to press buttons, pull levers, respond correctly to lights and sounds. Simple actions that carried humanity's future. On 31st January 1961, Ham was strapped into a tiny capsule and placed atop a roaring rocket. The rocket produced more power than planned. Ham was pushed back into his seat by extreme force. He experienced much higher G-forces than scientists expected. Inside the capsule, gravity vanished, alarms blared, and the mission began to drift. Despite this, Ham remained conscious. He didn't panic. He experienced about 6.6 minutes of weightlessness. Even while floating and being confused, he continued pressing the correct buttons and proved that the brain works in zero gravity. As the capsule returned to Earth, Ham experienced up to 14 to 15 times the force of gravity. The re-entry was rough and dangerous. The capsule crashed into the Atlantic Ocean. Still, Ham survived. When rescuers opened the capsule, Ham was alive, shaken, exhausted, slightly underweight, hungry, but safe. His first reaction? He smiled and accepted an apple. Because of Ham, scientists knew humans could survive space. Ham's flight lasted only 16 minutes and 39 seconds. He was not in space for days or months, just minutes. 3 months later, the first American human astronaut went to space. Ham never chose to be a hero, but he became one anyway. History remembers astronauts, humans who went to the space first. But space remembers. Ham was the first. For more such content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.